Hello everybody, this is Ray Albert with eBusiness Marketing Learning Centers, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple business Facebook page. And this is very important for local businesses. Why is this very important? Because believe it or not, Facebook is the biggest and most popular social media marketing mogul out there. And if you're not on Facebook, you ain't. And this is the best way to integrate your business with Google My Business and your website and everything else in order to get a foothold and get local market share. Now, if you've been thinking about building a business page with Facebook for a while now, but you're not exactly sure how to start, well, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a page right now. So let's get started. Now, the first thing you got to remember is you have to have a personal Facebook page first. You got to have your own Facebook account. And as you can see here, this is my Facebook page for my Connecticut Handyman Services page. But if I go to the home page, you'll see that this is my personal page right here. Now, just because you have a personal page doesn't mean that people can find you and get your profile or your information off your business page because it's a separate page. Facebook just wants somebody that's going to be able to moderate the pages, and they want to know that somebody owns them pages. So you have to have a Facebook account first, and it's very easy to do it. All you got to do is go to Google and Google Facebook and then create an account. So as you can see right now, I'm in an incognito window, and if I just type in Facebook in the top here and I press enter. So if you don't have an account, it's going to say email, password, login, or else sign up right here. Very simple to sign up, folks. Okay, so I'm going to get out of this incognito window because this is beyond the scope of this training right here. All right, so now we have our Facebook account. What we're going to do now is we're going to click on this button right here, and we're going to create a page. So you're going to click on that button to create a page, right? Very simple stuff, right? Now, you're either a business or you're a public figure. Most of us are going to be business or a business brand, or if you're a singer, or if you are some kind of a church or some kind of public figure, you will click on that. But most of us are going to click on this business brand and get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the name of your business right up here. So I'll put up here, say, e-business marketing, right? And now you want to choose a category. So if you just start typing something in, I'll start typing marketing, right? So now what am I? A marketing agency, an advertising marketing, internet marketing service, marketing research consultant, whatever you think that your category is, I am going to put internet marketing service. Okay, then you're going to put your address in here. Mine pre-populates, really cool. And then I'm going to go to continue. Oh, please correct the following height. So let's go want a city in here. And then we can continue. So now that we have the information that this thing wants, it's going to continue on and build a page for us. So then the next window, you're going to get something like this. Now they're going to want you to upload a profile picture. Now we're not going to do that right now. We're just going to go ahead and press the skip button. And we're going to press the skip button one more time. Okay, now this is our page right here. Doesn't look very inviting, doesn't look very good, doesn't look anything at all, right? So right now it is viewable to the public. So you want to not show, you want to unpublish this page until you're done with it, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to go up to settings right here, and then you're going to go to page visibility right here, and you're going to edit changes, and it's going to say unpublished page. Please share the reason why you want to unpublish the page. So I'm just going to put other right here, finishing page. I know I spelled everything wrong. So I'm going to click on unpublish, and the page is now unpublished. I'm going to close this, and now the page is unpublished, so nobody can see it right now. Okay, now that it's unpublished, all we got to do is click on the page link right there, and it's going to bring us back to the page. Okay, now we're back to our ugly looking page right here. So what's the first thing that we're going to do? We're going to want to create a logo right here. Now to do this, to create a logo, we're going to go to a place called Canva. So I'm going to open another window here, and I'm in Canva. And you can create a free account with Canva. It's free to join. It doesn't cost you any money. And once you are in here, you're going to click on create a design, and we are going to use custom dimensions because our logo is going to be 360 by 360 pixels with PX. So we're going to create the design, and Canva makes it very simple because they will give you templates that you can use to create your logo. And so I want to find something that's going to look good for my business. I'm going to click on this right here because it's free, and I am going to upload a picture, which I have right here, so you can drop and drag anything in here. So I'm going to click this over here. This is my e-business marketing learning center university hat. So I'm going to click that right over there, and I'm going to click over here, and I'm going to print in e-business marketing, and here I'm going to put, this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to just bring it down here a little bit, so it looks good. Maybe I'll take out this bubble here, so you can do a lot of stuff. Click on the trash can, delete that. Whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, all I wanted to do is delete that button right there. Delete the element. There we go. So this looks kind of cool, I think. And you can center it. So now when you're done with it, all you're going to have to do is click on this, and you're going to download it as a PNG file, and you're going to download it to a page or to a place on your computer that you can remember. So I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to put it there, and I'm going to put e-business marketing. There's my logo, save, and there it is. It's all saved. Now I'm going to get out of the Canva, that one there, and I'm going to go back to my page that I'm building, and I'm going to update this, and I'm going to upload a photo from my computer, and I'm going to go to my desktop where I saved it, and it's going to be e-business marketing right there. Open it. Now it says a drag in its position. That looks good. I'm going to save it. And there I have my logo right there. Okay, now we want to add a cover photo. Now, Canva makes it really simple. So if you go back to Canva, all you got to do is, so here you go. So now you can pick something that is within, you want to try to pick something that is congruent with what you've already done. So let's see here. Okay, so I just wanted to show you what I came up with as far as my business page cover photo is. What I did was I took this first template here, and as you can see, it's a lot different than what it is over here, but I wanted to keep it the same color, so I had some purple in my design right here, and basically white and some green. So that's what I did. I did a little purple here, some white and some green, and with my hat there, so it looks congruent. So now what you want to do is you want to download this as a PNG, as again, download it to where you can save it. And again, I'm probably going to bring it down to my desktop. It should be opened already. It is, and this is going to be e-business marketing 1, and we're going to save that. Okay, now that it's all saved, we can get out of Canva here, and we can come back to our Facebook page and add the cover, upload And we're going to go to eMarketing 1, open the file, and there we go. We can click on save right here, and it's going to save it. Now, one thing you might want to do is you might want to click on your photo right here, and it's going to bring it up in this window. So now you want to add a description to your photo. So what I did was I put a little description here, and then I put my website here. This is very useful for people that like share your Facebook cover photo, or for people to give the opportunity to come to your website and be able to do business with you. And here you just put where you're from, and I just put Waterbury, Connecticut, and we're done editing this page. Next, what you want to do is you want to add a button. So you click on add a button, and then it's going to ask you what kind of button. So it depends on what kind of business that you have. Okay, so I'm going to click on learn more about your business, and I'm going to click on learn more. I'm going to click next, and then it's going to ask for a website for the button. So I'm just going to put a website in here, and I'm going to save it and finish. And that's it. Now we have a button that says learn more. Okay. All right, folks. Now the next thing that you want to do is you want to go to your about page, and you want to put in all the information that you can about yourself, about your business and everything like that. If you don't see it in here, if you click down on the more section here, then you can go to the about page. Now when you get to the about page, you want to click over here to edit the page. And here you want to complete this section. So I'm going to sign off, and I'm going to come back when I'm done. Okay, so I finished my about page. I got my e-business marketing learning center as a place where local businesses can learn how to market their local business online, so that they can create more visitors and more sales to their businesses. And you put your what your category is, and it's just a lot of the basic information, your contact information right here, your Wi-Fi if you got a Wi-Fi at your business, your location, and more stuff. This is just dollar signs or whatever. So just go ahead and fill this out. Then when you're done with it, you just click on the X right there, and that's it. And now the last thing that we want to do is, since we're mobile friendly, what we want to do now is we want to have a text message that is automatically sent when people go to your website. This is pretty cool stuff here. So if we go to settings again, and then we go to messaging, and so now what we want to do is we want to jump to the section of general settings, and you want to make sure that the return key to send messages is on, and you want to show a greeting. You want to turn that on. It says, "Hi, Ray Albert, thanks for getting in touch." So that's going to be your message. You could change that message if you want to. Now this is your message URL right here. And if you want, you could add a message to your website. So if you get started here, all you want to do is you want to click on next. And you want to make sure it's in English. It's going to be a greeting message. And how can we help you? But you can change that to say something else. You can say, "How can we help you? Please let us know. We want to help everyone we can get seen online." Right? Now it says, okay, so we got to keep it with 80 characters. So we'll just say, "We can." Okay. Then we can save that message. And then we go to next. And then we go to next again. And then what you want to do is you want to copy this right here. You just copy that like it's copied. And you want to put it in the head section of, or your body section of your website. Now, through this tutorial, it's a little bit involved, so I'm not going to go through this right now. All you have to do is comment below and ask me, and I will have a class on that if people ask me how to do it, okay? So now that you've created your new business page, now it's time to start posting onto it. Every time you do a blog post, you want to post it onto your business page. You do a video, you want to post it onto your business page. And you want to interact with all of your followers and people that like your page. Now in future videos, I'm going to show you how you can get tons of likes and shares and everything like that totally free. And it's really easy to do, but you got to follow the Facebook rules. But you got the first step down. You created your Facebook page. If you haven't seen the Google My Business page yet, you want to create a Google My Business page. If you don't have a website, you want to create a website. So go to rayalbert.com and go to the e-business marketing learning center and learn how to do that stuff. Okay, so this is Ray Albert. I'll talk to you later.